MG infotainment systems can sometimes freeze or become unresponsive. There are two main reset options, a quick reboot and a factory reset. A quick reboot is like restarting your computer. It clears temporary memory to fix minor glitches without erasing your data. It's ideal for unresponsive touchscreens or app crashes. A factory reset is more drastic, restoring the system to its original state, wiping all your personal data and settings. Use it for severe bugs or after failed software updates. Remember to back up your data before a factory reset. To perform a quick reboot, press and hold the power button on your infotainment unit for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns black and restarts. Some newer models also let you restart via Settings, System Restart within the touchscreen interface. For a factory reset, navigate to Settings, System, Factory Reset. You may need to enter a password or confirm the action. The reset process takes 5 to 10 minutes. Ensure your car is parked and the engine is off for both procedures. Keep in mind that MG is pushing out more OTA updates, so your system can preemptively reboot if it detects errors.